Stop crowding your oven. What if dinner finished faster, crispier, and healthier? Welcome back to my channel. Today you'll discover the top 7 best largest air fryers, saving time and feeding families happily. Love what you see? Grab your favorite through the convenient links below now. Please support our channel today. At number 7 is Chefman Air Fryer Dehydrator. Did you know one countertop oven can quietly replace 3 bulky appliances? That's the kind of bold promise the Chefman Air Fryer Dehydrator actually lives up to, and yes, we only share what genuinely proves itself in everyday kitchens. Most buyers struggle with tiny baskets, uneven cooking, and greasy results when hunting for those extra-large air fryer picks, but this 10-liter unit fixes that stress fast. Rapid air cooking means no preheating, less oil, and crisp results that feel like a small daily win. During our comfort-focused kitchen testing, the rotisserie chicken came out juicy, the dehydration mode saved snack money, and cleanup felt refreshingly simple. It does take more counter space and the fan is noticeable, but compared with other big capacity ovens in that popular 7-unit category, this one feels more versatile and family-friendly. If you crave relief, smarter meals, and peace of mind, this is a confident buy. Space-limited kitchens may want slimmer options. On number 6 is Cosori Air Fryer TurboBlaze. What if one countertop upgrade could make weeknight dinners quieter, faster, and actually exciting again? That's the Cosori Air Fryer TurboBlaze, and after real kitchen comfort testing, it honestly surprised me. Shoppers chasing those big basket air fryer picks often complain about noisy fans, soggy fries, and cramped cooking space, but TurboBlaze quietly solves that stress with its powerful 3,600 revolution per minute airflow, square family basket, and whisper calm operation. Fries come out golden, chicken stays juicy, and the ceramic coating feels like a small gift every time cleanup takes seconds. Compared to bulkier ovens in the popular 7-unit capacity class, this one saves counter space while still feeding hungry families. Downsides? It's not the largest shell on the shelf, and premium tech bumps the price slightly. Still, we only suggest gear that earns its place at home, and this one brings relief, safety, and peace of mind. If you want fast, healthier comfort food without chaos, it's a smart buy. If you need massive party trays, look bigger. At number 5 is MFVV Air Fryer Rotisserie. What if your countertop could suddenly feel like a full-sized smart oven? That's the surprise the MFVV Air Fryer Rotisserie brings, and after our real home comfort trials, it quickly earned attention among those big capacity air fryer favorites people keep searching for. Most shoppers feel stuck choosing between size, speed, and even cooking, but this dual-zone giant removes that stress with 2 independent chambers, fast 360-degree airflow, and rotisserie results that look restaurant-ready. Fries crisp evenly, chicken spin juicy, and hosting suddenly feels calm instead of chaotic. Compared with other bulky ovens in the popular 7-unit capacity group, this one stands out for flexibility and safety-focused design. Downsides? It demands counter space and isn't whisper quiet. Still, we only highlight gear that proves itself in daily kitchens, and this one brings relief, confidence, and peace of mind. If you want family-sized power and versatility, it's a smart buy. Tiny kitchens may want slimmer options. At number 4 is Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer. Did you know most family air fryers still struggle to feed a real family? That's where the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart quietly changes the game, and after our real-world kitchen comfort testing, it earned its spot beside those roomy air fryer favorites everyone compares. Many buyers feel overwhelmed by uneven cooking, long preheats, and greasy results, but this unit delivers fast, even crunch with almost no oil, and that first batch of wings feels like pure relief. The touchscreen is friendly, cleanup is painless, and the stainless design finally looks grown-up on the counter. Compared to bulkier ovens in that popular 7-unit size class, this one saves space while still handling meal prep with confidence. Downsides? It's not built for party-sized trays and runs warm. Still, we only highlight gear that proves itself daily, and this brings safety, calm, and peace of mind. If you want smarter, faster family meals, it's a confident yes. Big party hosts may need larger shells. On number 3 is GoWise USA 14.7 quart air fryer. What if your countertop could grill steaks, spin rotisserie chicken, and still feel calm and controlled? That's the bold promise of the GoWise USA 14.7 quart air fryer, and after our comfort-focused home testing, it absolutely demanded attention among those extra roomy air fryer picks people keep comparing. Shoppers often fear uneven heat, long cook times, and messy cleanup when shopping the big capacity group, but this dual heater oven answers with fast, even browning, indoor grilling magic, and accessories that make hosting feel easy again. Fries crisp, kebabs rotate juicy, and cleanup doesn't steal your evening. Compared with other bulky ovens in that popular 7-unit size tier, this one feels more flexible and fun. Downsides? It's heavy and claims counter space. Still, we only highlight gear that proves itself daily, and this delivers relief, safety, and peace of mind. If you love variety and family-sized meals, it's a confident yes. Tiny kitchens may want slimmer builds. At number 2 is Emeril Lagasse Digital Air Fryer. What if your countertop could feel like a full party kitchen overnight? That's exactly the vibe the Emeril Lagasse Digital Air Fryer delivers, and after our comfort-focused home testing, it stood tall beside those big basket air fryer favorites people keep hunting for. Many shoppers fear uneven heat, burnt toast, and not enough room for family meals, but this extra roomy oven brings instant relief with smooth airflow, smart auto shutoff, and space for pizza nights and rotisserie Sundays. Fries come out golden, toast behaves itself, and hosting finally feels calm again. Compared with other bulky ovens in that popular 7-unit capacity circle, this one feels more polished and confidence-boosting. Downsides? It needs counter real estate and runs warm. Still, we only share what proves itself in real kitchens, and this one brings safety, smart cooking, and peace of mind. If you love feeding a crowd with style, it's a confident yes. Minimalists may prefer slimmer builds. Now moving to the last one is Ninja Dual Zone Air Fryer. What if dinner could finally stop playing the who eats first game? That's the quiet superpower of the Ninja Dual Zone Air Fryer, and after our real home comfort testing, it instantly stood out beside those roomy air fryer favorites people keep comparing. Shoppers often stress about back-to-back cooking, soggy sides, and family meals that never finish together, but the twin baskets bring sweet relief with sync timing and fast, even airflow. Wings crisp, veggies stay tender, and your kitchen finally feels calm again. Compared with bulky single-cavity ovens in that popular 7-unit capacity group, this one feels smarter and faster. Downsides? It takes counter space and isn't whisper quiet. Still, we only share what proves itself in daily kitchens, and this delivers safety, confidence, and peace of mind. If you want family-sized speed with control, it's a confident yes. Solo cooks may prefer smaller shells. After testing all contenders side by side, the Ninja Dual Zone Air Fryer wins. Its dual independent baskets solve the biggest frustration, waiting for food to finish, by cooking mains and sides together, saving time and stress. It delivers fast, even results with less fat, and the flexible features let you roast, bake, broil, or dehydrate without juggling multiple devices. Compared to other large air fryers, it balances capacity, speed, and everyday ease. If you want smarter, family-friendly meals and real peace of mind in the kitchen, this one earns your buy. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best largest air fryer. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.